Have you spent hours crafting social media posts only to get little to no response? It's frustrating, isn't it? Let's talk about why some campaigns fall flat and how to avoid the same mistakes. I remember launching one of my first social media campaigns with high hopes. I created posts, shared listings, and even ran a few ads, but the results, almost nothing. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working until I looked deeper. Here's what I learned. Most failed campaigns come down to three key issues. Number one, lack of strategy. Posting randomly without a clear goal or understanding your audience won't get you results. I realized I was creating content for the sake of posting, not for the purpose of connecting with potential clients. Number two, poor engagement. Social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message, it's about building relationships. I was posting, but I wasn't engaging with my audience. Number three, inconsistent branding. My messaging and visuals were all over the place. Without consistency, your audience can't recognize your trust or your brand. When I fixed these issues, clarifying my strategy, actively engaging, and maintaining consistent branding, everything changed. My posts started generating real interest. My followers became more engaged, and the leads started coming in. If your social media campaigns aren't producing the results you want, you're not alone. At Reels and Realty, we can help you craft a clear strategy, boost your engagement, and build a consistent brand that resonates with your audience. Don't waste time guessing what works. Contact me today, and let's create campaigns that deliver real results for your real estate business.